Yo peeps, it's your boy Patman, and today I'm at Flip Out and I've got my special guest trying to challenge me at some games. Yinka and Shay. Let's see who's gonna win.
On your mark, get set, go! And they're going, and the Blues coming on the lead, and Blues going on the lead, and okay, never mind. And Blues on the lead, and he's coming, he's coming. What do you have to say, Blue?
Listen man, Lewis Hamilton, you're next.
I thought I did really well actually. I'm quite shocked at that.
She thought she won in it,
I think there was a glitch.
The score, there was a big score difference
Definitely.
between the winner
I think it was
by
an
about
error.
300.
I think it was an error, it was a glitch.
What do they call them? A kill pig or something like that? She was the kill pig.
Steady, go! So fast, what's
Olympics team from school, you know, I ran 100 meters and I really could feel that I used that same ability.
Woo!